Evil cyber chimps. Shit. I don't know how I made it through the doorway on that. My joystick jammed. Come on. Yes. I don't hit anything. And we're good. Okay. Ow. My knee just popped. Welcome back to Lawnmower Man. Part 2. Trying to get to the end of the game. I think we'll have to deal with some bees in a second. They're a pain in the ass. It's all the same. What kind of gun? Oh. Aw. I was hoping I could have got by without this stupid bee getting me. Up. I don't think we have much further to go before we get to Job, which is the halfway point of the game. And then we get this cool driving level that I suck at, but it doesn't matter because we have unlimited lives. I watched a video, the difference between the Sega and the Nintendo version, and found out that the Sega version didn't even have that driving game. I just get behind this thing. Cool. So I don't think you can actually kill it. It's just you attack until it lets you go. Aha, here we are. Excuse me. Sorry, so this is where we're fighting Job in cyberspace. You just keep shooting the big face. And then you have to hit the octagon. You have to hit a green one every time and turn the entire board red. If you miss, you have to play that level again of shooting the big face. face, which is Job, of course. It's such a weird game. I don't know why I loved it so much when I was a kid. I mean, I still do like it. It's very hard though. Especially now that I'm an old person and my reflexes aren't as good as when I was a kid. 2 more. Oh. So I think they said that in the Sega game, because the driving level is gone, this is closer to the end of the game than where we're at now. I might not even make it to the driving section here. Down, down, bitch. It did not hit one. I know it didn't. Shit. I think that's what the premise for Lawnmower Man 2, Job in cyberspace, is that he has escaped into the cyber world. And I don't know that I ever watched the second one, Lawnmower Man 2. Probably did, and I just don't remember it. But I'm just imagining it being a bad, like, Hackers ripoff. I actually liked Hackers. As bad of a movie as that was. I don't think it hit one. No, it did not. Okay, I gotta focus. I'm doing that anxiety thing where my eye gets bigger and bigger. Some people's eye twitch, mine widens when I get really stressed. And I'm acknowledging it because I know it's noticeable, and I've been told that it's better to just acknowledge it instead of worrying about it. Come on, big face. Oh god. Didn't mean like that. So close here. Shit. Oh, I don't think I hit it. Did I catch the corner of it? No. Definitely gonna have to try this one more time at least. This might need to wait for a day when I'm not feeling so bad because I'm not doing so great. Okay, well, there will be a part 3.